loves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope that you're all doing well and are ready for today's lesson. Now, can someone tell me what animal they are seeing on their screen? It is a turtle. Yes, it's a turtle. It's quite a big turtle. And turtles are animals that have been around since the time of dinosaurs. That's over 200 million years ago. So turtles are quite old animals. And do you know how you can tell the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? Well, one of the ways that you can tell that is a turtle actually can't pull any of its limbs into its shell. It can't pull in its head, it can't pull in its flippers, while a tortoise can do that. A turtle grows with its shell, so you can't separate either of them and they cannot tuck themselves inside. So yeah, there you have it. So to begin our lesson today, we're just looking at a video of a turtle swimming. Now let's get into today's lesson. We are going to be having maths now, grade 1 maths. And before we get further into our content, let us review the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now let's sing the song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday too. Great job! Now, can someone tell me what day was it yesterday? What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. And if yesterday was Wednesday, what day is it today? Today is Thursday. Great job. And if today is Thursday, that means tomorrow will be, what will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Friday. Are you excited for Friday? Friday is the last day in the school week. So today is Thursday, the 4th of February in the year 2021, and we are going to have maths. Our number of the week is 6. S-I-X, 6. By the end of this week, you should be able to spell the number 6 and write the figure. Now let me remind you how to write the number 6.
How do we write the number 6? Around the clock until it ticks. That's the way to make a 6.
One more time.
Let's try it again. Around the clock until it ticks. That's the way to make a 6.
Nice. Now let's move on. Now here is your addition fact to go with the number of the week. 6 plus 0 equals 6. This is your addition sentence. 6 plus 0 equals 6. So you can put up 6 fingers and then just tell mommy, close your hands. You have the 0. I have 6 and you have 0. And how many do you have altogether? You have 6 altogether. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And I could switch them around and I could have the 0 and now mommy has the 6. So you have the 0 and let mommy have the 6. So you have 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Now for maths we have been looking at sets. Now let's review. A set is a collection of objects. When you have a collection of things, a collection of objects, you have a set. The objects in the set can be the same. You can have all the same objects. We have four seashells in this set. The objects in the set can be different. The objects in the set can be different. So we have 4 different types of food here. A set with no objects is an empty set. So you can have a set having nothing, like how mommy had 0 a while ago. She had nothing. She had an empty set. A set with no objects is an empty set. And equal sets have the same number of objects. We have 2 bananas over here, we have 2 oranges over here. They both have the same number of objects, so therefore they are equal sets. The sets have the same value. They're equal. We use the equal sign to show that they have the same number. We also said that sometimes sets are not equal. For example, the set of lizards has 1 more than the sets of cats. So sometimes sets are not equal. Some sets can have more than. This set has more than, while the cats would have less than. Okay, so for sets we're looking at more than and less than, and today we're going to be exploring a special symbol. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to use this symbol to show which set has more than and which set has less than. So here I have 2 sets. I have bananas and I have oranges. How many bananas do I have in this set? I have 2 bananas in this set. Great. How many oranges do I have in this set? I have 3 oranges in this set. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. Okay. Which set is bigger? Nice. So now the set of oranges has 1 more than the set of bananas. So you see you have 2 bananas, you have 3 oranges. The oranges has 1 more than. So we're going to use a special symbol to show which set it has more than, which set is bigger. Now this sign is telling me that the oranges is more than the bananas. And don't worry about it, Miss is going to explain more about this symbol, alright? So this is a more than or a less than sign. So it can look like this or it can look like this. Its mouth is open to the bigger set or the bigger number, okay? So let me show you, for example, we have this hungry alligator here. We can look at the more than less than sign as a hungry alligator or hungry crocodile, right? And it opens its mouth to the more than sign, more than side, and it closes. It's not looking at the less than. It's so greedy, it always wants the bigger set. So it's only looking at the bigger set. So when you see the mouth open, you're always like, oh, that's the bigger set, and it's not looking at that other one because it's smaller, it's less than. Okay, so its mouth is open to the bigger number, and it turns its back to the smaller number. Now let's look at this one together. Here I have sets of shapes. How many are in this set? 1. We have 1 triangle here. How many ovals are in this set? 2 ovals are in this set. Which is bigger? Right. So are we going to use the sign this way or this way? The hungry alligator opens its mouth to the bigger number. So which number is bigger? The ovals. Which set is bigger? The ovals. The ovals have 2 while the triangle has 1. So therefore the alligator would open its mouth to this side. So we make it this way, so facing the bigger set. So remember, the hungry alligator always wants to eat the bigger number, the bigger set. So that's where its mouth would face, okay? So let's look at these 2. So we have a set of cupcakes here. How many cupcakes are in this set? Great, there are 2 cupcakes in this set. And how many are in this set? None, 0. It's an empty set. So which set is bigger? The set of cupcakes is bigger, okay? And that means this empty set is smaller. So which way would the alligator go? Would it open its mouth to the cupcakes? Would it open its mouth to the empty set? It would open its mouth to the cupcakes. So remember, the hungry alligator always wants to eat the bigger set. So it opened its mouth to the cupcake size because that has 2. So that is more than this set, which is empty. Now here we have cupcakes and ice cream. How many cupcakes are in this set? 2. How many ice creams are in this set? 3. Right. Which set is bigger? Which has more? The ice cream have more than the cupcake. Okay, so which way would the alligator go? Will it open its mouth to the cupcake, or will it open its mouth to the ice cream? It would open its mouth to the ice cream because this set has more. This is more. It has more than the cupcakes. It actually has one more than the cupcakes. So the alligator would open its mouth to the ice cream because 3 is also bigger than 2. Now let's try together again. Let's do some more practice. So here I have flowers and butterfly. How many flowers do I have here? We have 4 flowers. How many butterflies do I have over here? I have 1 butterfly. Which set is bigger? The set of flowers is bigger, so that means this one is smaller. So which way would the alligator go? Would it open its mouth to the flowers, or would it open its mouth to the butterfly? It will open its mouth to the... Is that right? It opened its mouth to the butterfly? No, that's not correct. It should have opened its mouth to the flowers. So Miss needed to flip that around. All right. Now let's look at these bears and honey. So we have a set of bears. We have a set of honeys. How many bears are here? You have 2. How many jars of honey do we have over here? 6. Yes, we have 6 jars of honey, the number of the week. Now, which set is larger? All right. So, which way would the alligator go? The hungry alligator, the greedy alligator, would open its mouth to the set of honey. The honey has the largest set. It is more than the bears. So it would open its mouth to the honey and it's turning its back to the bears. So I don't want anything to do with those bears. I only want the honey because that's more. Now let's look at this one. We have sets of fish. We have sets of fish. They're both sets of fish. But let's count them and see how many fish are in each set. How many fish over here? 4. How many fish over here? 5. Okay, which set is bigger? Which has more? The set of 5 have more. So which way would the alligator go? Would it open its mouth to the set of 5? Would it open its mouth to the set of 4? It will open its mouth to the set of 4? Is that correct, grade 1? Is 4 the bigger set? Is this one the bigger set? Nuh-uh. This is the bigger set. 5 is bigger than 4. They have more than 4. It has 1 more than this set. So that's wrong. So it was supposed to be in this direction. It should open its mouth to the bigger number. It's hungry, it's greedy, and it wants to eat the more fish, the bigger set, okay? And there we go. It's blowing a trumpet for you because you are so smart. You were able to correct Miss. I said, no, Miss. It needs to open its mouth to this set. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. Now it's your turn to practice. You're going to show off your skills. You're going to show Miss that I know which way the sign is supposed to go. So you're going to practice. Turn to page 67 in your math text. And you're going to do exercise 2. In exercise 2, you're going to fill in that symbol that we were looking at today, and you're going to put it which direction it has the more, it has a bigger set. All right, so best of luck with that, and bye bye. See you guys in the next lesson.